Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Silent Anarchist. My name is Nigata and I just finished off with my class test. So I'd be sharing the insights of how I prepared for my exams and how well did they go. So today we'd be picking the second subject, that is the biology. Let me be very honest, I did not study even a bit before giving the exam, and I was 112% sure that I was going to fail this exam because the concept clarity was null and void in this chapter, and the questions were not straightforward. They were twisted enough to make you feel confused between the topics that were asked. So, the chapter consisted of the flower, microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, pollination types, and the ploidy of the ovule, the ovary, and then the polyembryony and the apomixis. These were the topics in this chapter. And the question paper, I got the set B. The moment the question paper was in front of me, my heart just skipped a beat, and my whole brain blacked out in just few seconds, because the whole paper had it had questions from every topic, and I had studied from the notes that I had borrowed from my friends, and I had just prepared while like making flow charts of some topics. My only some topics were clear. So, you know, with regards to how well I had prepared, my exam went literally great enough, to show some good results. So we are not yet acquainted with the results, but I am very sure that I've done much well than I had imagined that my exam would go. So the next thing that comes is that where I need to work upon my consistency, because I was so busy preparing for physics and chemistry that I literally forgot that biology is also my subject. And before biology we had our psychology exam too, so I was also busy preparing for the psychology exam. So I just neglected the biology the whole freaking time. And now I know the worth of biology, because I know that this was the worst paper I had given. Not worst, but I did not prepare for this chapter, and yet I know I would score well enough to be able to show my marks to my parents. So while I assess the biology question paper, I'd share them with you so that you can practice them. And I'm really very sure that, you know, we all together can make a very great change in the society. So let's see what the future holds for us. So now the notes which I had prepared while preparing for the biology exam, I would share them also with you guys so that you can have a look how I have prepared for my biology exam. And while I comment on the biology question paper, I would say that I was able to, I was able to, what is that word? I was able to attempt all the questions, even the diagram based questions. If you can see it right here, it was not difficult enough for me. I knew the answers, but I didn't know how to frame it. I didn't know the technical terms. So this is where I need to work upon. And then, when I come across the biology, the first thing that, comes here is the LSF, which is the location, structure, and functions of anything that you're studying. So I'll be, preparing in that way only, in the way that in the way that I was preparing back enough. So back then, back then, and let's see what the future holds of us. And I know this would work. Trust me when I say this would work for sure. And let's grow together, keep shining, keep glowing. So let's see each other in the next video, and stay tuned for the next videos. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and comment down what you need next. Bye bye, guys. Tata. Take care.